शङ्खभृन्नन्दकी चक्री
शङ्खभृन्नन्दकी चक्री
शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः
शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः
रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः
रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः
सर्वप्रहरणायुधः
सर्वप्रहरणायुधः.
He has with him a number of divine ornaments serving as weapons to eradicate every kind of trouble that his dedicated devotees face. These ornaments fulfill his cherished vow of protecting anyone that comes seeking refuge in him anytime, anywhere. The ornaments are a shankha called Panchajanya, a sword called Nandaki, the ever-charming chakra used to protect the gods from the demons, with its shining edges dimmed by the blood of the demons. He has a bow called Sharanga, with a loud sound produced by its string that releases a shower of arrows when aimed at the demons. He also holds a gada called Kaumodaki, radiating sparks of fire as those at the time of Pralaya. The most prominent among all the above protective weapons is, of course, the chakra called Sudarshana. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shankabhrit
शङ्खभृत्
Nandaki
नन्दकी
Chakri
चक्री
Sharngadhanva
शार्ङ्गधन्वा
Gadadharah
गदाधरः
Rathangapanihi
रथाङ्गपाणिः
Akshobhyah
अक्षोभ्यः
Sarvapraharanayudhah.
सर्वप्रहरणायुधः.
Om Shankhabhrute Namaha.
ॐ शङ्खभृते नमः.
Om Nandakine Namaha.
ॐ नन्दकिने नमः.
Om Chakrine Namaha.
ॐ चक्रिणे नमः.
Om Sharngadhanvane Namaha.
ॐ शार्ङ्गधन्विने नमः.
Om Gadadharaya Namaha.
ॐ गदाधराय नमः.
Om Rathangapanaye Namaha.
ॐ रथाङ्गपाणये नमः.
Om Akshobhyaya Namaha.
ॐ अक्षोभ्याय नमः.
Om Sarvapraharanayudhaya Namaha.
ॐ सर्वप्रहरणायुधाय नमः.
Sarvapraharanayudha Om Namayiti.
सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नम इति.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.